Aviztra.com is the perfect place for you to practice your SQL and Python skills. As you can see on our free challenge page, we currently have a Titanic challenge, and at the bottom you can download the data directly from the page. No need to go find the data. There's also a SQL and a Python environment, and these are meant to mimic a database once you upload a data set. So we'll go ahead and we will load our data. It shows us the CSV was loaded, and we can even see that the schema was updated to show us the columns in the table. Now what we'll do is we'll answer who was on board, count how many passengers were in each Pclass. We'll go ahead and we'll paste our SQL code in, we'll run it, and you can see in Pclass 1 we had 216, 2, 184, and Pclass 3 had 491 individuals. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and go over to our Python environment, we'll do the same thing and upload our data. It shows us here that it was uploaded and even gives us a little bit of help text. We'll hit OK. And just like our SQL environment, we'll go ahead and paste some code in here, except in Python, obviously. We'll run it, and you can see that our output's going to be the same as it was in our SQL environment. So 1 is 216, 2 is 184, and Pclass 3 has 491 individuals. Also, you'll see that we have a Python button here, and this downloads a .py file. On our SQL, it downloads a .sql file, and the reason for that is that our missions are laid out in a way that are conducive to building projects for a portfolio. Once again, this is a free resource and we update these once a month. If you want longer versions, you can always update to Pro to have a longer, fuller version of the challenge and to have it updated weekly, as well as see past challenges. We hope that this free environment helps get you started and helps you on your analytics journey. If you have any issues, please reach out to us on the contact section here on Aviztra, and an Aviztra member will be with you promptly.